Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see about UDF, nothing but user defined functions in PySpark. So generally what is meant by a function? A function is a block of code which performs particular task, right? So and we have lot of functions in our PySpark we have learned in our previous videos, right? So although we are having many functions, there are some cases where those functions are not applicable and by default we need to create some functions. So in that case we will create our own function and we will use that function, and with the help of function we can avoid code reusability, right? So but in general if there is any inbuilt function or predefined function we can use that instead of creating new function and using it again, because it will affect the performance. So nothing but like background of a function there will be lot of code inside it, and the compiler or interpreter it has to run that background uh, uh, you know uh, background code of a function, and then the function needs to be executed. So these many things, so because of that the performance will be reduced. So in general we need to look for the inbuilt functions firstly. If it is not available, then we need to create our own function. So even though if it is a performance issue, but we can achieve our own transformations. Okay, so let's see how we can create a user defined function and how we can use that. Okay, so uh, I'm just going to create a function now with the keyword def. Okay, with this keyword we are going to create a function, and this is def and this is my function. I'm just writing the function name as my function, and it will take the input parameter as x. Okay, x, and this is indentation. Okay, done. So return, I just want to go for cube of x. Okay, now this is done. So this is step one. Here we are just creating our own function. Okay, now let's add cell below and we can run this. And here, so we need to uh, make this function available in PySpark. So how we can do that? My user defined function. Okay, with the keyword UDF. So with this, we are going to uh, make our function available in PySpark. Okay, let's run this now. Now just add one more cell below. So we are having this data df.display. Okay, that is done. So this is saying df is not available. Just run from top once again. Okay, just run all below. Okay, we got the data now. Okay, so here we are going to use our UDF. Okay, so firstly with column, I'm just giving a name, my UDF. Okay, then the above function name, what it is, get this my UDF, and it has to take a input parameter, right? That is item item MRP. Done. So now let's run this. So the value needs to be cubed. Means 3 times of that value has to be displayed. So this is one of the example how we can use this. So yeah. So here item MRP is just take a normal value 48, second one 48 into 48 into 48. So that is 112463. So and in one of my interview they asked me, so they will provide the number of balls, so I need to convert into overs, like in cricket we have 6 balls equals to 1 over, right? So in the same way they will be providing me the input as some balls, so then I need to convert that balls into overs and the remaining balls. Let's assume there are 32 balls, it means 5 overs 2 balls. So in the same way we need to uh, do that using UDF. Okay, so this is one of the example, you can try that. So this is about UDF. Thanks for watching.